Hi, my PlainJains, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do some double line French tips on these almond nails. I did say I was going to do a couple of videos with different types of tips or French tips. So here they are. We're going to be going in with our Beetles White Striper, our Gayo Milky White, our Sumbo A002, alcohol, and a little brush, detail brush, to take away any of that extra white paint or gel polish. So let's get started. We are buffing away that foundation as per usual, just so we can have a nice smooth base. And then after that, we're going to apply our primer, then our base coat, and then our color. You guys know the prep. You know the prep deal already. I don't know how to tell you guys this. We're a lot of videos in by now. You guys know the prep situation. So once we are finished with the prep and get our color on there, I'll come back when we get to those lines. So now we're going to apply our smile line on these almond nails. So these are not square. Usually with a square, you'll make your little, your smile, or you do your method or your technique to create a smile line for the square tip, but these are almonds. So with this, I am just filling in the sides and coming in towards the middle and rounding it out as the oval, the almond shape, as you will, and then I'll just keep going until I like the desired look at the bottom. And I'm leaving the bottom thicker because the second line I want to be a little bit thinner, just to show some contrast to those double lines. So I will go a little bit above the thicker smile line, and then again just going in, meeting in the middle, trying to round it out towards the almond shape. And then I'll go over it a couple times to my liking, and that's it. And that is how I did my line. It's fairly simple. If you're a perfectionist, you can either connect the lines on the side or tip off the lines on the side. It's up to you. I am a fairly easy person. Sometimes I'm a perfectionist, sometimes I'm not. It just depends on the mood. But I really liked how these turned out, so I'm going to just continue the same method that I did on the first nail throughout the rest of the nails. With this striper, I have not had any problems using the striper as far as creating smile lines or just lines in general. I think the Beatles brand for their striper line is very nice. Albeit I haven't used other brands thus far because I am comfortable with this brand. So I just really like their striper. And then the gel paint itself is rather smooth as well. It doesn't, you know how some of them may stick or get sticky. Yeah, it doesn't do that either. Not that I have noticed. So again, there could be a lot of reasons to why you might like it, why you might not like it. Different brands use different ingredients in their gel polishes to create either stickiness or looseness. So there's so many factors. But with this one, I have had no problem with it. I love using it. I will be using it more than once. I have this in white and red and black. It did come in a couple of colors because it came in a box full. So yeah, I am not mad at it at all. But I'm going to continue creating these lines, and then I'll come back towards the end. What a difference this Ageo Milky White makes. Like, it really is the finishing touch to make these nails look like French manicures. Like, it really changes the ultimate look, or it gives the look the finishing touch that it needs. I love it, love it, love it. So we're going to apply that to the nails, and then we're going to cure for 60 seconds. And then after that, we're going to add our top coat, grab my cart, and then we are going to see the end results. And this is the finished look, guys. OMG, I really love how they came out. Look how shiny, glossy, and French manicure they look. Yes, I made a word. And if you are interested, I will be selling these on my Etsy shop along with my press-on toenails, my French press-on toenails, so you can cop those together if you like. But other than that, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment in below to let me know what you think about this set. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, be safe out there. Bye.